Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Ayan, so off ako ngayon and finally, no, hindi ako naka-white sando ngayon, na blue naman. This video lang na ipapakita ko sa inyo is compilation video lang siya ng ng birthday ni Aiden, and then yung handa kay Adam, and a glimpse of my activity or event kahapon, which is September 10. Oo, tama ba? Yes. Na 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, nag-event kami sa Wells Fargo. Yan po ay located sa BGC, sa 5 Neo building. And, yeah. Nag-ano lang kami doon. Random blood sugar test lang kami doon. Saglit na saglit lang kami doon. And, may mga video lang ako ng mga, yung itsura lang sa loob, yung kanilang comfort room, and also yung pinaka loob ng activity, no, yung mga booth, konting booths lang. So, yeah. So, recently, napapansin ko, no, puro event ako this year. So, I'm looking forward for other events, and hopefully, marami akong makasama ng mga staff din, iba't iba, and yeah, para may mai-content naman din ako sa inyo. And thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Na-appreciate ko yun. Yeah, so, panoorin nyo lang ng panoorin, no? We are, napaka-unfiltered ng mga contents ko. It's all about life, it's all about lifestyle, mga ganyan. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe kayo, ha? Happy birthday, Aiden! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Smile! Happy birthday, Aiden! Happy birthday, Aiden! Oh, blow na! Blow the cake!
Yung kandilang.
Blow the cake! Blow! Wow! Isa pa! Wow!
Hindi, marunong na siya.
Blow!
Blow! Wow! Blow! Wow! Yay! Very good! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Poogie. Happy birthday, Poogie boy. Happy birthday, Aiden.
Happy birthday, Aiden!
Happy birthday.
Thank
Happy
you!
birthday, Aiden.
Video nyo? May video mo?
Happy birthday!
Binibidyo ko.
Happy second birthday!
Happy second birthday, Poogie boy.
Okay na
Poogie
to.
boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aiden. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Oh,
Blow na! Blow the candle, Poogie boy!
blow!
Oops!
Sige pa.
More?
Some more! Come on! Come on! Come on, baby!
Ayan. Blow na.
Blow! Blow na! Blow!
Ay, layo. Again. Oh, lapit.
O, dali, baby!
2,
3.
Go! 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 Go!
Hindi may hangin.
yay! Happy birthday!
Yay! Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Happy birthday, Poogie boy! Happy birthday!
Isa ma. Open.
Gift for Aiden!
Daw, kita mo.
Happy birthday to you!
From Mamila! From Mamila!
Open. Open.
Alam mo.
Open.
Wala, excited!
Excited!
Mami na tayo. Wow.
From Mamila! Wow!
Wow, pagkain! Mga
Wow. Ito. Wow.
Tingin pa doon.
From Popsi.
Yeah, or Popsi daw.
wow!
Popsi.
Oh, what's that?
And for you!
Wow. Popsi.
And say
Yeah.
Thank you! Give it to Papa! Mama!
Give it to Mama.
Give it to Mama!
Give it to Mama.
Give it to Mama!
Kanya daw.
Oh.
Give it to Mama! Yan ang mga gift maiden.
This one naman.
Meron siyang
Oh.
cookies.
Tita Sue.
Cookies.
From Tita Sue.
Tutunana.
Kay Tutunana.
Tutunana. Wow.
Nice.
From Tutunana.
Ay, wow.
Kita mo sa kanya.
Busi nilang pugi, boy.
Wow.
Oo.
Oh, wow. Letter A.
T-shirt. Tapos meron siya.
Wow, nice.
Ayan, ang kanyang milk. Ayan.
Tita Chi.
Terno.
Tita Chi.
Ay, wow daw.
Partner na pala.
Partner! Wow!
Na ikaw.
Cute! Inaantok na siya.
Asan ang cellphone ko?
Thank you daw.
Thank you!
Cheng, yung cellphone ko.
Andyan lang yun.
You like it?
Dami.
You like it?
Okay, then say
My shoes. Sandals.
Saan ang cellphone ko? Happy birthday, Adam. Happy birthday, Adam. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Adam. Punta ka doon. Kunan ko kayo. Pagkablo na lang ba?
Kaya mo lang naman dati yung...
Wow!
Galing!
Very good!
Bakit dapat? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Susie. Hooray! Happy birthday, Ate Sue. Happy birthday, Sue. We miss you. Enjoy. We miss you. We will blow your candle.
Blow na.
Wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best. Good luck.
More blessing.
More blessings.
The next day.
Panibagong event na naman for today, September 10. Init, kainitan. See you! Ito yung CR nila. CR lang nila to, guys. Ang laki. Maganda yung lugar. Ano, CR nila. So, eto, nandito na kami sa Wells Fargo event. So, ito may boot MaxiCare, tapos may well-being, and then may Healthway. Dito po sa Healthway is random blood sugar test. And ayan, so may event. Ayan, o. Ayan, so, meron din, ayan, iba-iba. So, yan, 1, 2, 3, and of course, ang Healthway po ay isa sa pinaka-active na laging sumasali sa mga event. Ayan po si Ma'am Tess. Ayan. And, behind our, blood sugar test na booth, meron po ditong pantry. So, mamaya makikita nyo po, ibutin ko na lang mamaya yung pinaka-pantry nila. And they also have, ayan, ATM machine. Hindi ka mag-withdraw. Actually, ang lawak niya. Ang lawak ng place nila. Sobrang laki. Okay. Cloverleaf Ayala Mall. Tapos ngayon nandito kami sa
Yeah.